What would happen if you let AI handle your daily tasks? I tested it, from work to content creation, and the results were not what I expected. For one full day, I used AI for writing research planning content, and I tracked how much time it saved. Emails, notes, scripts, all done with AI. Example, I gave AI a messy idea. It turned it into a clean, structured script in seconds. Time saved about 70%. When doing research, it's normally Google arrow click arrow read arrow repeat. With AI, one prompt arrow full answer. Huge difference, less time, less effort. Content creation, this is where AI really shines. I used it for script writing, voice generation, editing help. What used to take hours took under 1 hour. But AI isn't perfect. Problems, sometimes wrong, needs guidance, still requires decisions. You are still the operator. AI doesn't replace you. It removes the slow parts of your work. Think of it like, instead of working harder, you're working faster. If you want to learn how to actually use AI like this, subscribe. I break it down step by step.